In today's lesson, we want to look at the topic filtration as tichitarisa advantages and disadvantages, starting with advantages. First advantage is going to be the experiment of filtration is simple and easy to conduct, kana kuti easy to use. What does this mean? This means there are no complex equipment which are needed. Kana tichita the process of filtration, we do not use any complex equipment. Equipment yatinoshandisa, if you remember well, we are going to be using the color black for illustration. Then for note taking, tinenge tichishandisa red. So for filtration, if you recall, tinoshandisa a funnel. We also have a filter paper. Then to collect the filtrate, tine beaker, which is just a container. Then we also need a stand, kana tiri in a lab setup. So mukatarisa ma equipments aya, and let us just illustrate by a simple drawing. So we put our stand down. The stand should be on a table. Saka stand inenge yakabata chi, inenge yakabata funnel. Mukati me funnel do munenge muine the filter paper. Then we have a beaker where we are going to be collecting the liquid, which is formally called the filtrate. Saka zvinhu izvi manje, let us add our filter paper mukati me funnel. Zvinhu izvi hazvisi complex. It's just simple equipment. A funnel, a filter paper, beaker, stand. Very basic equipment. Saka izvozvo manje ndozvinoita kuti the process ive simple and also easy to use. Adding to this now, you are going to soon discover kuti because of how simple and easy the equipment are, zvichaita kuti experiment yacho kana kuti procedure of separation yacho, filtration, ive cost effective, kureva kuti ive cheap kana kuti not expensive. Cost effectiveness. It's cost effective, and we have explained from advantage number 1 why it is cost effective, why it is not expensive, why it is not costly. Putting down the note, chirikuti conducting the separation technique is not expensive. And kana tichiti not expensive, tinenge tichiti not costly. We can rephrase this tichiti materials are cheap and also widely available. So adding to the materials being cheap, you can get them literally in every hardware, kana kuti in every science shop. They are also readily available. You can get them almost anywhere and everywhere. Saka izvozvo ndo zvinoita kuti filtration ive our go-to when we want to separate liquids from insoluble kana kuti undissolved solids. We are going to go to our advantage number 3. Advantage number 3 inoti iyo effective for separating liquids from insoluble solids, kana kuti we can just say effective for insoluble solids. Saka this demands we remember. Patakaita filtration as a separation technique, takati it's usable to separate liquids from insoluble kana kuti undissolved solids, and we are going to put it down in mathematical framing. Tenge tichingoti filtration is equal to liquids, and typically water, remember, liquids, and kana kuti plus insoluble undissolved solids. So this is basically how filtration, where filtration applies, and it's going to serve us as an advantage. So our note now is going to be, it clearly separates insoluble solids like sand and tea leaves from liquids. And that is going to be the note we put down. And I'm going to explain something panapa which is of vital importance. Chandicha explain and chekuti, if you look at tea leaves, mushona tinomati masamba. Kune vasingafariri kumwa tea inenge ine masamba, and vanoda kumwa tea iri clear. So what they do is they filter the tea, so that mufilter paper kana kuti just a cloth yamunoshandisa as the filter paper, you are going to collect masamba as residue, then the tea solution cannot clear tea ndo inenge iri filtrate yenyu. So this is also a practical use of filtration. Then percent you already know, because chatisingadi is a solution, but tea pane a solution, because kubva mumasamba muchabuda chemical ichamikisa nemvura. This is evidenced by mvura kuchinja color from colorless to a brownish color, which is the color of tea. But filtration iri kushanda pakuti takuda kuchibvisa mashizha asara aya masamba, takuda kumabvisa musolution yedu kuti timwe clear tea. So even the part iri undissolved kana kuti insoluble, mashizha kana kuti masamba anenge asara, but we have a part of masamba iri soluble ndo inozochinja color yemvura. So you have to be careful and very technical when we are talking about this. Our advantage for inert EO, it preserves the liquid. And this is very important, very vital. Nekuti this part separate the process of filtration from the process of evaporation. Because in evaporation, the liquid is evaporated away. It's not collected. But in filtration, the liquid is collected as the filtrate. So if you are separating, of course we know that evaporation, we are separating a soluble solid mixed as a solution into water. And for filtration, it's an insoluble solid and water. That technicality is important. But umwemsiano ripondwe kuti, in evaporation, the liquid is not collected. In filtration, the liquid is collected. So we are going to put down a note. Note yedu inenge ichiti, the liquid is collected as the filtrate, and the liquid is usually unchanged chemically. So ngatange tanyora, the liquid is collected as a filtrate. So this is straightforward, I would argue, because we know that the liquid we collect is called the filtrate. The second point manji yandoda kuexplain kuti the liquid is usually unchanged chemically. This is chemistry. We are interested in chemical composition of substances. So the liquid is usually unchanged chemically. Saka, the word usually is important because it's a technicality. Pakuti sometimes the liquid can be changed chemically. For example, a tea. Tea yatinobuditsa umandiri. Patiri kubvisa masamba is residue, tea yacho is the filtrate. Tea inenge yachinjwa chemically, evidence kuchinja kwekala. but kana tanga tichiseparata mavhu nemvura, because mavhu are dissolved into water, water is not changed chemically. So usually separates boys from men. But not usually, they understand the possibility of a chemical change in the liquid. But in most cases, because tinowanzo kuseparate purely insoluble solids like sand from water, which is a liquid, but you can apply it paku separate partly soluble substances like tea leaves, masamba, and because there's a chemical inobva masamba ichimixa nemvura to form tea. So this is very important, and underline the term usually. Our advantage number 5, which is also our last advantage in OT, filtration is useful in daily life and industry. So as we write this, we should equally remember that we did applications of filtration, but started the requirement of our syllabus, which is water treatment, the water treatment plant. So that's one example of the usefulness of filtration in everyday life, kana kuti in industry. Saka water treatment, it's commercially done at industrial levels, but in daily life ndopakuseparata chi mutuvi nemukaka. So my examples are chesa panapa, used in water treatment, air purification, and to purify air. Typically trikutarisa water and insoluble solids, but you should remember that we can also separate air from substances. That's why panopinda air purification, but as demanded by our syllabus, we are the most concerned with water, kana kuti a liquid typically, and an insoluble solid. Also applicable, this process of filtration inoshandiswa in food processing, especially patinotarisa mawainari. Pakuti waini iri kugadzirwa tiri kutswanya magrapes tichikolekta muto wawo, but pakukolekta ipapo pane tumwe tumonzi tunova part of the collection. We, through sedimentation and filtration, tunotubuditsa kutira kuti waini yedu ive clear. So food processing very important. Then we also use the process of filtration in medicine. That's also very important to take a note of. We are also going to have 5 disadvantages as we had 5 advantages of filtration. The first one is, and this is very important, very central, filtration cannot be used to separate a liquid and a soluble substance. But manyorora toda kuita tichangoti cannot be used to separate a liquid from a solution. Tinogona kuita rephrase this tichiti cannot separate dissolved substances. Hatikwanise kuishandisa pakuseparata a solution. Very important. Tichapa an example is salt and sugar solution, which is also central. Saka salt and sugar dissolved in water and will pass through the filtrate. They are going to pass through the filtrate, or rather pass through the filter paper to be collected as filtrate. That's more accurate. Kana tine solution, salt and sugar solution. Salt ya dissolve mvura, sugar ya dissolve mvura, zvafoma solution. Ndikatora zvigubhu zviviri, chigubhu chemvura isiri solution nechigubhu che salt and sugar solution, you are going to see kuti ndikati ndeipi solution apa, you cannot tell because they are actually salt and sugar solution. Salt yacho nesugar zvinenge zvava a part of the water. So zvandiri kutaura panapa ndezvekuti unless you test a salt and sugar solution, that's when you know kuti this is salt and sugar solution, this is just water. Samaparticles acho paanodissolve anova very small zvekuti anokwanisa kuta pass through the pores of a filter paper. That is the reason why tichishandisa specifically separating insoluble solids and liquids. So this is an important fact which you should submit to memory. Our second disadvantage is going to be a slow process. And in a moment, we are going to explain why we have a slow process. The slowness of the process depends on how fine particles, which are the insoluble solids, are. Saka fine particles can make filtration very slow. Mukatora mavhari very fine and like loam soil, momixa kana kuti clay for example, momixa nemvura, you are going to see kuti the process becomes very slow. Zvekuti munogona kutoita hour pachingodonha a drop, and that is because of the third disadvantage. So slowness, it is also dependent on the third disadvantage, which is how the filter paper can be clogged. So our number 3 inoti the filter paper and kana ngoti filter is clogged, kana kuti can be clogged. This is also based on saka nchiti clog tiri kutarisa, take an example ye sink, but what sink ya blocker and maisa mafuta muchisa sadza saka zvafoma ka layer kekuti mvura ichakwanise kuflowa. So very small particles can clog the filter paper. It's very important. Filter paper iri porous, ine tumaburi tudiki diki tunotendera mvura kuti ite pass through, asi ma insoluble solid particles arambe ave collected as residue. Saka kana tuma particles utu tukava tukaenzana ne like diameter yetuma particles ikaenzana ne diameter yetumaburi, tunogona kusvika togara pamaburi apa tobloka kuitira kuti mvura ichakwanisa kuita pass through. But mvura iri persistent, inoramba ichida kungozama kuita pass through. That is why this process can be slow. So the process can be slow or the process can be stopped dependent on how fine the particles you want to separate from a liquid are. So that is also a disadvantage. Number 4 yedu manje iri kubva yataura iyo ichiti we have an incomplete separation for very fine solids. So ndataura pamusoro diameter yetuma pores turi filter paper compared to diameter yetuma solid particles. Kana diameter yema solid particles yakakura sterek kudarika diameter yetuma pores turi filter paper, ma solid particles are going to be collected as residue. Kana diameter yakaenzana, we can have a situation of clogging. As kana diameter yema fine particles iri diki pane ma pores, zora kuti tunokwanisa kungoererawo tichipfuura. So ndopari kubuda nawo yekuti there is an incomplete separation for very fine solids which can pass through the filter paper because of diameter. But ainawo diameter iyi, and because diameter iringotarisa kukura kwakaita tumaburi tuwe filter paper compared to tumaburi, compared to kukura kwakaita tuma fine insoluble solids twacho. So the note we are going to put down tichati, some tiny particles may pass through the filter paper, and I have given you an explanation of the reason why some fine particles may pass through the filter paper. I'm going to ask this in a test because it's very technical, and as science students you have to be technical. Number 5, loss of material, and there can be a loss of materials. How can there be a loss of materials? Some liquid or solid may be lost during the process. Mukabata filter paper munoona rakatota. Kutota kunoreva kuti filter paper ranga richiabsorba some water particles. Saka kana mvura yanga iri mumix yanga iri 1 liter, mvura yamunocollecta kunyangwe hayo ichigona kushota with a fraction of a milliliter kana kuti a few milliliters, inenge yakashota nonetheless. And as you grow in science, you're going to see kuti volumes of things are very important. Saka ikoku kushota kwezvinhu, it's a disadvantage. Because kana mamuchiseparate 1 liter of water with some solid insoluble particles, amchisina 1 liter. Kuroti kana in your experiment uchida 1 liter of water, you have to do some mathematics to account for the material which is going to be lost. So that's also very important. We have done 5 advantages of filtration, 5 disadvantages of filtration. Chatakuda panapa ndechekuti kana muine mubvunzo muinayo, bvunzai mumacomments. Kana muchida kujoina chikoro chedu tichikuiti some extra lessons, tutoring kana kuti full time lessons, you can WhatsApp us on the number which is going to appear on your screen. It's a Zimbabwe number, it's +263. But when you are in Zimbabwe, you can easily put it as Sakapa number yachinenge chiti +263 71 521 3310. Muzimbabwe 071 521 3310. Ndozvenge zvakaita namba yacho. Thank you and take care.